Mr. Fish, you and Miss Hathaway were a couple, and some time ago, based upon what I read, you and Miss Hathaway decided to buy a house together.
Yes.
And when was that? Give me the month and year.
November of 2013.
Had you been living together prior to that?
Yes.
For how long?
About a year.
So you each put down $1,000, and I assume just the two of you moved in. Is that right?
There was roommates that moved in with us.
Roommates? How many?
2.
Did they pay rent?
Yeah.
To whom?
Margaret.
So they paid you rent?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, she kicked you out.
Right.
When?
October of 2014.
And your lawsuit wants the down payment that you put down, which was $1,000, and money for home improvements that you made.
Yes.
Both parts and labor.
Parts and labor, yes.
What was your financial responsibility in the house, Mr. Fish?
Splitting the bills.
Splitting the bills. What bills?
The mobile home payment.
What was your share?
It was about 500 and something a month.
Did you pay that?
Yes.
Every month?
Yes.
Is that right?
No.
Yes, I did pay it. They were taking off the lot rent every month, $400 a month.
Who was taking off the lot rent?
The owner of the mobile home park we moved into.
This case begins calmly. Then Judge Judy realizes his breakup is turning into a money war. A former couple battles over bills, rent, and a trailer home as contradictions start surfacing fast.
How were they taking it off the lot?
I was doing the maintenance there. So they automatically gave me $400 a month towards that.
So you didn't pay personally. What you did was you worked for it.
Right.
Did some maintenance around, so they let you live on the lot space for free. Okay. Now, Mr. Fish, I'm going to tell you the way I feel about two people who live together without benefit of marriage and then come and annoy me. Let me tell you how I feel about that. We have put together an entire court system to deal with people who get married and divorced. We have judges, we have counselors, we have mediation services, we have psychiatrists and psychologists who deal with the children, all designed to take care of people who get married and then it doesn't work out. I refuse to become a participant in people's lives who choose not to get married, and then when the relationship is over, they come in and say, this was a loan and not a gift, and I did home improvement in the house, and then she threw me out, so I want to be paid for my labor, all during which time the two of you are cohabiting and cavorting. Then you want the court system to create a whole system for almost living together. And I refuse to do that. So if you were living in the house with her and did some home improvements around the house, good for you.
Now things escalate as Judge Judy completely shuts down the boyfriend's demand for home improvement money. The courtroom erupts when she tears into unmarried couples dragging breakup drama into court.
She's going to say, I did some improvements on him too. That I'm not suing for. Because that's part of the package when you live together. So, sir, I'm not interested with regard to your home improvements.
Okay.
Now, did he put down $1,000 down payment on this mobile home?
No, he did not, and I have the bank statement to show it.
I would like to see proof, sir, that you put down $1,000. I would like to see...
I have the contract where we
It's
bought
not the
it.
contract. I know that the contract probably said $2,000. I just want your proof that you gave her $1,000.
I paid it in cash.
Paid who in cash?
Margaret, we put money in her account in cash terms.
Who did?
Well, money that I have received from working and everything. And I'm the original finder of the place.
And you're the original finder of the place. Well,
Right.
Is that supposed to suggest to me that your finder's fee was the down payment?
No.
Well, you don't have proof. She says that she put it down. Let me see what proof you have. Did you have a joint bank account?
No.
Oh, I think he gave you $1,000. I think he gave you $1,000 afterwards.
No, he didn't.
5 days later.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, what's this $1,000 deposit on 12/2?
At this point, the case shifts into a credibility battle. The girlfriend denies he ever paid the down payment, but Judge Judy spots suspicious bank deposits, and suddenly the entire courtroom tension flips.
That was
cash.
That was my wages.
No.
I was saving as well as paying. And,
No. I don't believe that. Did you give her $1,000 in cash?
In the final clash, the explanation changes again as roommates are suddenly dragged into the money dispute. Judge Judy watches closely while the story keeps shifting under pressure.
Yes.
I believe you. Now, the only other thing that I'm going to
excuse me,
consider,
Your Honor.
Mr. Fish,
Excuse me, I am very
What?
sorry. The money that went in with that was their half, the $1,000.
who's half?
My renter's half, my roommates. They paid half and I paid half. I withdrew the $2,000, made the deposit to the owner of the park, and she gave me $1,000 to put her half in, her and her husband's half.
I don't know, because I only have up to 11/14, so I don't know who else put in $1,000. I'm not sure. Now, did you purchase an air conditioning unit yourself?
Yes.
From whom?
I bought it online and I paid for it out of my account and had it,
I'd like to see.
just says, the second page has where the receipt of the money. And, well, sorry, here's another sheet to go with it.
Are you still in the same mobile home?
Yes, ma'am.
Still have the air conditioner that he put in?
Yes, ma'am, of which I pay part of it too.
Show me.
I can't show you.
$2,181.
Air conditioning purchase becomes a financial puzzle as receipts and claims clash, setting the tone for a tense ownership dispute in court.
Okay, now you have a counterclaim, Ms. Hathaway. You told him to leave in October of 2014,
I told him in September. It took him a month to leave.
and you were granted a protective order,
A restraining order, yes.
and that was when?
That was January 27th.
And part of the reason that you were granted a protective order is because you say that he damaged your fence.
Yes, I have pictures, Your Honor.
Tell me when that happened.
Well, we were together for 2 years, and
Now the counterclaim unfolds, revealing eviction tension and a violent exit that escalates into property damage and restraining order drama.
no, you don't want that.
I don't want
The day he was leaving, he got angry and started throwing things, and he went to go out the back door, and he bashed it down. It was chained, and he wouldn't stop and open it, and he bashed it down and went through it, almost went over the edge of the deck, and broke the glass in it. I have pictures of it. And I had to call his sister and brother-in-law to come out and take him because he was getting violent.
When did this incident happen with your fence?
This was after the restraining order. He lives right across from me, Your Honor, and he backed out of his driveway really, really fast. And so I was looking, I could see him, he was right there, and he hit the railing, not hard, but he hit it. And then he just drove off.
What was it damaged?
I have a police report.
Judge pushes for clarity as fence damage claims surface, but timelines blur and police reports add pressure to the escalating dispute.
Showing
Was
me
it
damage.
damaged?
Yes, it was damaged.
Did you fix it?
Not yet.
Do you have an estimate for fixing it?
I do.
Tell me, Mr. Fish, did you break the back door down in October?
That was,
Did you break? See how
Yes.
fair I am?
yes.
Were you angry?
It happened the day she told me to move out, and I didn't understand why.
Okay.
And all I did is went to the door, not realizing the chain was on it, to open it, and I just nudged it with my shoulder, and all I did is break the glass out of it. And I paid for it to be repaired.
Did you?
Yes.
He gave me $40, Your Honor,
Well, then we don't have to entertain that. He felt sorry and he gave you $40 to repair it.
but he did not just nudge it.
Mr. Fish defends his actions, calling it accidental contact, but the broken door and $40 settlement shift the judge toward closing that issue.
I don't care. He gave you money. You accepted it.
Yes, I did.
I'm done with that.
Okay.
Now, did you damage her fence?
She claims I backed into her fence. If I did, I don't know that I hit it because I didn't feel it.
Did the police come to see you after the fence incident?
No.
They did not.
Nope.
Do you have a police report with regard to the fence incident?
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to see it.
I have 4 police reports, Your Honor.
Tension returns as fence damage is denied, yet police reports and protective order history deepen contradictions between both parties.
Well, the 4 police reports resulted in ultimately getting a protective order, a 2-year protective order. Did you have a trial on the protective order?
Yes, we did.
Okay, and the trial was a year ago?
No, it was in March.
Do you have an estimate for the fence?
Yes.
Yes, I'd like to see it. This is the window that he took care of. I'm just talking about the fence.
It's the top copy.
No, this is not the fence, this is a window.
Yes, but the top copy of the fence of the 8.5 by paper, and it's not the photograph. There is a picture in there.
Bird, I must be missing something. I don't see a picture of the fence.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I have a picture of the fence, of the rail.
That's
Great. I would like to see that. Officer Bird, can I have Mr. Fish's photograph of the rail? Are we looking at the same fence? No, this is not the same fence, sir.
Evidence chaos peaks over mismatched fence photos until the judge cuts through confusion and delivers a decisive $2,181 judgment. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Guess that's the same one.
No, there's no curved line here.
It should have.
Oh, there isn't.
You can zoom it up more, maybe you'd see it better.
I don't zoom.
Okay.
Is this what you're talking about?
Yes.
You owe him $2,181. That's all. Judgment for the plaintiff.